Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see all your ratings and reviews of apps you have completed on the App Store. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So giving a rating or review on the App Store benefits the app developer to improve the app for the future releases. However, if the app developer has improved the app and you want to change your rating or review, then you need to follow the next steps. So on your iPhone, open up the App Store. Next, tap on your profile photo to the top right. Then tap on your profile name at the top. Now tap on ratings and reviews on this screen. Here you'll see all the rating and reviews of all the apps you have completed in the past. On this screen, you can only view what app you have rated and the date you reviewed it. To remove the rating and review, simply swipe left and then press remove. This will remove the rating and review for that app from yourself. And that is how to see all your ratings and review of apps you've completed on the App Store. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.